Before you start creating projects, you should update Android Studio to make sure you're working with the latest version of both the primary product and all the different SDK components you'll be using. From the welcome screen, go to the menu at the bottom and choose Configure. Check for updates. If there are any updates available in your current update channel, you'll see them offered here. Now, update channels are an important concept in Android Studio. Click on the Configure Automatic Updates link, and on this screen, you'll see a listing of available channels. The Canary and the Dev channel are for the newest versions of Android Studio. These are early preview versions. Their features might not be complete, there might be bugs, but you'll be seeing the software in its earliest available state. The Beta channel is next, and it offers versions that have been through the Canary channel and now are being prepared for release. You'll see those versions marked as either beta or as release candidate. And finally, the Stable channel is for software that Google considers ready for production. I'm working on an early preview, so I've chosen the Canary channel. You can change the channel here and then come back to the welcome screen and check updates again. There's another way of getting to the update screen. Go to the menu and choose Configure, and then on Mac OS choose Preferences, or on Windows or Linux choose Settings, and you'll get to this dialog. From here, go to Appearance and Behavior, then System Settings, and then Updates, and you'll see the same set of choices. It's generally a good idea to keep your version of Android Studio updated. That will make sure that you have the most stable available release. The only exceptions to that might be when you're intentionally working with an early preview version and you don't want to update it, or when you're working on a version of Android Studio that's tied to a particular application and you don't want to update your software before you've released a version of the app. It's really up to you, though. You'll never see Android Studio update itself without your confirming that that's what you want it to do.